Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while downloading the game Star Wars Battlefront 2. You got an error, content failed to load. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. So the issue is occurred during downloading the game onto the Xbox. So to fix out the issue, click on your profile icon and click on the option settings. Now from the left pane, under the accounts, scroll down and you will find the option of EA. If it is not linked, you will find the option of link. Click on the option link next to the EA to link your EA app with your Xbox account. After doing so, again click on the option library and extension, and from here make sure you enable the EA app as it is enabled right over here. After doing these two things, close it and even close the Xbox also. Now you need to launch the EA app. And in the search box, you need to type in Star Wars Battlefront 2 and then hit the enter key. Now here when you scroll down, you will get to know the Celebration Edition is only the add-on and you are downloading the add-on, that's why you are getting the error. So to fix out this issue, you need to click on this particular option, Star Wars Battlefront 2 base game. This is the base game. When you link your Xbox to your EA app, right over here, you will find the option of add to library. Go ahead, click on the option add to library and then hit the library option over here, and here the game will be available to download. So click on the download link and the game will be downloaded and the issue of content failed to load will be completely fixed out. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.